Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a YouTube Shorts thumbnail in Adobe Photoshop using a Mac computer in the year 2026. Without further ado, let us start the video. So on this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, as well as a Shorts video that we have uploaded, and access to Adobe Photoshop. We can now stop the tutorial. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this way for that to load. Once that is loaded, go to YouTube Studio via a shortcut within bookmarks. Click on this way for that to load. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to Content, go to Shorts. Let's now filter for a video that we want to focus on. Let's go to the earliest published date for the Shorts videos on the channel for Computer Science Videos. Let's now click on the video, how to delete a file on a Mac. We want to now download the video. You'll see why in a minute. So we have that video on screen. Let's now increase the size of the video itself. We want to now use Command Shift and 4 to grab a segment of that video, but in the form of a thumbnail. That should have now saved directly to the desktop, and there we have it. So we can now quit QuickTime Player. Let's now go all the way down to the dock again, go to Applications, Photoshop, wait for that to load. We want to now click on a new file. We want to have the orientation as portrait. Change the title of the project to Shorts thumbnail. We now want to drag and drop that screen capture onto the project as we are working with that particular image. So that's now been increased. Go back to Safari. The title of that video is how to delete a file on a Mac. So we want to highlight and copy. Let's now insert text onto the screen within our Photoshop project. Command A to highlight. We want to change this to Impact Regular. And then capitalize every single word and letter. We want to now increase the size of the text. And we also want to change the text with an outline via the blending option. Go to Stroke. And the size can increase or decrease if we need to. So that's been done. We can also move this up and down if we ever needed to. Let's now adjust. We also want to add a watermark for Computer Science Videos within the Shorts thumbnail. So that itself has now been added. We want to change the type, or we want to change the color. And we also want to highlight the same way as we did for how to delete a file on a Mac. Blending options, stroke, size 16. We want to centralize the text on screen. And there we have it. Let's now save that to the desktop. We want to now export quick export as a PNG to the desktop also. We can then quit Photoshop. Let's now go all the way around to the dock, go to Safari again. Now let's go to thumbnail, options, upload a file, and we should have the shorts thumbnail exported and ready for uploading for that particular video on our channel. So that's been done. Changes have been saved. We have that change made in real time. Let's now go to view channel on YouTube. Go to the shorts section and go to the oldest videos that were uploaded to the channel. And there we have it, how to delete a file on a Mac with the watermark for Computer Science Videos. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.